Clark crashed, and so there was a red flag, and so they were following the safety car. My name's KHD. Bye now.
This is always really beautiful. I did it, and I didn't die. So honestly, I felt like my heart rate was so much higher than it normally is. Brad, ever had a nap? Is this the Drive to Survive? Yeah. Hi, pretty girl! Hello! Sad to be back. Well, bittersweet because we can see dogs, we can see family. We got in pretty late last night. I think we got to our house because we had to pick up the dogs from my parents' house. We probably got to our house at like 12:30, and we quickly just showered and tried to go to bed. So we wanted to get back on time as much as possible. And I think it worked out. I mean, Brad woke up earlier than I did. He woke up at 5:30 and went for a bike ride, and then I woke up at 8. We did a little workout, just trying to get back into our routine before we have to go back to work, because I think today's Saturday. So I washed my hair last night and did this morning. It feels so much better. Something about traveling just makes my hair so dry. I think everything just feels so dry. It must be the airplane. And now I am finishing up doing the laundry from the trip. Before I like to go on trips, I like to make sure the house is clean and like everything is done. So when I get back, all I have to do is wash the clothes from the trip and like it's done. So it feels good that we came back to a really clean house and that, you know, it'll all be done and then we can relax for the rest of the weekend. I got quite a few boxes while I was away. These were just the ones that my mother-in-law picked up for me, and then also my cousin did some picking up for me as well. So I will show you some of them. Gorjana. You already know it's gonna be good. Like every single video, I'm probably wearing something from Gorjana. Oh, cute. We got these hoops. They don't feel too heavy, which is nice. This will be really cute. I've been wanting this pearl necklace from them for so long. Now I have it. Next we have something from DP Hue. I have been loving their hairspray and texture spray. It's what I have in my hair right now. It's a daily scalp serum. They always use apple cider vinegar, but I need to try this out for you. We have a package from Kiehl's. It looks like they've sent a cloud cream. Sounds really luxurious. The cloud cream, and then a oil. Yeah, I think this is an oil. But you know how much I love my creams and oils because my skin is dry. ColourPop. They have a new Sure Thing collection. Some eyeshadow palettes inspired by the sea. Ooh, the packaging is adorable. Should we put it on? Okay, this one's bright. Okay, glossy lip stain. I hope it's a lip stain because I hate reapplying throughout the day, but that's really nice. What color is this? Sunkiss. From Clear Start, which is from Dermalogica. They have an SPF. Love that. Oh, how cute! Good skin, good mood. It's for your phone. I love those things. And also inside was an Ollie vitamin. And a cute scarf. Ipsy! Ipsy is so fun. You guys don't have the subscription to Ipsy. You're kind of missing out because every month you get a fun new package of items that you can test and enjoy. And so it comes in 2 different sizes. You can get the glam bag, so it's mini products. So already killing it this month. It's May. It's a hydro milk, hydro base. So milk makeup. This is what I wore in France, and I sweat all day. I sweat all day. I didn't change my makeup throughout the whole day, and it makes my makeup stick. They also have a tinted lip balm in here. Oh my gosh, this one looks fun. It's an Iced Rosé body scrub. Bad Habits cleanser. Shout out Emma Chamberlain. And then Tarte mascara. So you get a lot of stuff just in the mini bag, and it's great because you can find the next thing you love, which is how I actually found a lot of Milk Makeup's products that I really like. The next option is the Glam Bag Plus. So you get a cute little bag, and inside it this time, a razor kit, little blenders or little beauty sponges. I've heard this brand is really great actually, so I'm excited to try them. Something from Ciate London. Ooh. Cool. Bronzy eyeshadow situation. Hyaluronic acid and peptide serum. And a Dr. Brandt face cream. Oh wait, that wasn't it. Brushes. Like all my brushes are from Ipsy actually. And they also sent a little selfie light. Okay, those are all my packages I have for now. I guess I should go pick up the other ones for my cousin. And yeah, continue on with the day. Brad?
Yeah.
You wanna... How are you even seeing?
My eyes are naturally blurry, and so this kind of acts as glasses for me.
That makes no sense. That's giving me anxiety.
No, it's okay. I can see the red lights in front of us.
Oh, let's come Remy, whose sock is this? No. Whose is it? Yeah, you guys are...
Brad.
Oh my god.
I think that's eggplant right on it.
Hi.
Oh, I haven't seen that. No, but
We just made it from France to Italy,
I haven't seen this yet.
and I ate a French dish.
What?
It was lamb, 7-hour cooked lamb, potatoes, and vegetables. Very classic. Jeffrey told me this is a very French food.
It is? Harder? No, if you press it again. You don't want it harder?
No.